Thousands of Muslims are in Harrisburg this weekend for a celebration of peace. Andy Briggs, live at the Farm Show Complex in Harrisburg. Andy.
Dennis, this is a first for Harrisburg. 10 to 12,000 Muslims from around the world are expected to attend this convention, the 60th for this particular Islamic sect, and another opportunity for them to promote their message of peace and tolerance. The Ahmadiyya Muslim community got its start in India 120 years ago. Many of its members come from that country, Pakistan and Bangladesh. But the Islamic sect is growing fast all over the world. Millions are attracted by their message of love for all, hatred for none.
Our organization is against religious violence. For over 100 years we have been saying that this is wrong.
Attendance this year is expected to double because of this man, the fifth Khalifa, the sect's spiritual leader. His first visit to America is being broadcast to a global audience.
Yes, it is extremely important for us, and that he is here, or he's, we are blessed with his presence.
After 9/11, life wasn't easy for many Muslims living in this country, but the sect believes its message is helping to change public perception.
With the help of news media who covered and made the differences between the major Muslim connotations about peace and tolerance as compared to a very small fundamentalist group who have taken terrorism as one of their political tools.
I think it is getting better. A lot of people, average Americans, are getting to know Islam or Muslims firsthand.
Mohammed Safiullah of Harrisburg says it's especially important for young people to listen and learn, and there are lots of them here.
This, I think, also sets a path for our kids, leads them to the righteous way that we believe one should be living.
Now, I don't know if you noticed or not, but there were no women or girls in that story. I can assure you they are here, but they stay separated from the men because of their beliefs. Now, we wanted to get some video of the women, but weren't allowed because we don't have a female camera person. No men are allowed in their area. Dennis.